Hi, I'm Andy Wallace with Zabus Property Management, and a common question we get is, do I have to rent to college students? The reality is, though, we love renting to college students. We have great experiences working with them. College students tend to be the type of people that care about their long-term future, they care about their credit, but they don't have a lot of experience with properties. So you really do need to work with them and educate them about the process. It's not the same as living in an apartment if they're going to be living in your single family home, for instance. There's a lot of basic repairs that they're going to need to do. For instance, you can go to our website and you can see tips on how to unjam a garbage disposal or flip an electrical switch. These are these basic things that you're going to need to work with people who are new tenants. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind in that college students, their cycle is, in terms of their availability of time, really changes throughout the quarter. Once exams start happening, they simply just don't have any time available. So in general, if you're renting a home with a yard, you're going to want to basically always hire a gardener and include that in your rental fee. If you've got a property with a number of students in, such as a bigger home with maybe 5 or more people in it, you should seriously look at including or at least offering a cleaning service to the tenants. It's amazing what a twice-a-month cleaning service does. The kitchens are clean, the bathrooms are clean, and it typically only costs the tenants $5 to $10 a month, and it makes it so much easier to rent the property that next coming season. If you've got any questions at all, and if you want our assistance, just give us a call. We're happy to answer your questions.